Welcome to the elevator here at JCPenney at the mall at Tuttle Crossing in Dublin, Ohio. There's a Schindler NT. Let's go to 2. There we go. There we go. Here are 2. Let's go down to 1. Door takes a while to close. There we go. Let's go to cab view. Identical cab to JCPenney at SouthPark Mall in Strongsville. Here are 1. It's not the greatest. Let's go up to 2. Here's the phone. Here we go. Here are 2. Let's go back down to 1. Door close button does not work. Schindler. £35 capacity. It's not the best. Here are 1. Takes a while to level. Here's the certificate. Plus the close, and that's it.